In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons to your Gmail signature, making your emails more interactive and personalized. Whether you're a business professional or just someone who loves keeping in touch via email, enhancing your signature can leave a lasting impression. Now, let's dive into the steps, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a signature that stands out. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Gmail. Log into your account as you normally would. Once you're in, look to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. You'll notice a small gear icon. This is the settings menu. Give it a click to open a drop-down menu, and from there, select See All Settings. This brings you to the General Settings page. Scroll down the General Settings until you see Signature. You may not have created a signature before, and if that's the case, you'll see a prompt to create a new one. Look for the Create New button and click on it. Here, you'll enter a name for your signature, which can be anything you like, such as your name or business title. Once you've named your signature, it's time to start adding your content. You have the option to type out your text, like your name, job title, or company, into the text box that appears. Take a moment to personalize this part. Keep it professional but true to your style. Next, to add social media icons, open a new tab and search for free social media icon images that fit your style. Websites like Flaticon offer an array of icons that you can download. After downloading, go back to the Gmail tab. To insert an icon, click the Image button in the Signature Editor. It looks like a small picture landscape. This will open a dialog box where you can upload your saved icons. After an icon is uploaded, it will appear in your Signature Editor. Select the icon and then click the Link button in the toolbar. This will allow you to enter the URL of your social media profile. Do this for each of the icons you want to include. When you've added all the icons and linked them appropriately, review your signature to make sure it looks how you want it. Everything set? Scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save Changes button. Now, when you compose a new email, your updated signature with clickable social media icons will automatically appear. As you send emails with your new signature, remember that this is not just a block of text at the end of your message, but a reflection of you. Use it strategically to enhance communication and personal branding. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy emailing!